Hello everyone, wow, look at this new beverage station. I'm here with Twyla, our dining service manager. She's going to give us a little demonstration. So what is this, Twyla?
Well, this is to replace the K-Cup machines that were getting dirty and messy, and it's a new system. It's a lot cleaner. We're going to have more selection.
Okay.
And it's kind of streamlined.
Okay. So this is now, and if you want to come a little bit closer to look at this, it's really easy. This is an upgrade. We've got this new furniture here, which I really like, and there's a lot more options here. And she's going to show how easy it is. So why don't you check it out?
We're going to start. We're going to pick what beverage you want. We've got infused water, iced tea, iced coffee, cold brew, tea latte, which we currently don't, is out of stock, but we will be getting new flavors. Please let us know what you'd like. Hot tea, coffee. You can even make hot chocolate. We even have cappuccino and lattes now.
Okay.
Which was something that wasn't available with the Keurig.
Okay. So this, again, I want to let you guys know, this is an upgrade. The flavors that we have, what's great about this is we actually could run reports to see what people like more, and we can do different flavors. This was just a start. There's a lot of others. And we could get froth, meaning cappuccino. I saw that Dove hot cocoa, which is great. So this blows those Keurigs out of the water.
So if you want...
So why don't you do an example?
Okay, well, here's a chocolate latte, which would be the hot chocolate with the froth milk.
So I'm gonna do a chocolate latte.
There's also hot water if you just want to have a tea bag in your room that you already have, make your own. Or we have hot tea here, which is on the menu, okay? So you go ahead and press what you'd like.
So if you want to come closer so they can see, don't be intimidated. It's just click a button right here. We want chocolate.
So it tells you right here, making chocolate latte, pack 1 of 2. So it says, insert froth.
All right.
So you're going to come over here, grab a froth packet. And if you want to show this, there's just a little tiny door right here.
All you do is you just pop it in right there. Shut the door. So
and start.
We're going to do 8 ounces.
Okay.
We're going to pretend like there's no cup. Look what happens if there's no cup.
We're not pretending. There is no cup. Start. Oh, place your cup.
You can't mess this up. You really can't. So put that in. And I know we're doing this slow, and a lot of you guys may say, what are you waiting so long and showing every step? Really, we're just trying to show you how easy it is. Yep. It really is. So
it pulls it up because it knows what size the cup is. And right now it's doing the milk froth for the latte.
And all these different setups that we have, we're going to get back to the pumps, and we have some other things. They just set this up today. So
yep, the pumps will be right in here. So just for now, we've got the individuals.
And what I like about this is you could get that real froth that those K-Cups, they never provided. And we could do cold brew, we could do water, infused water. So here we go. Insert pack 2 of 2.
So you're gonna get your chocolate.
So it's saying, look for chocolate. So you look for the
Dove
chocolate.
milk chocolate. There you go, Eric.
There we go, chocolate. And just shut the door, and that's it. And it will detect if you're doing the wrong pouches, I'm assuming, and it's not going to let you, because that's what he was talking about, how it's dummy proof.
Almost. There's one thing you don't want to do, which is put the hot ones in the cold drinks.
Don't even say that, because then somebody's going to figure out how to do it. So you can see right now how the chocolate latte, and this is the, I believe, the froth part.
No, this is the chocolate part.
The chocolate part. We did the froth part. And this is like a real hot chocolate with the froth. The Keurigs would never be able to do this.
And this Dove milk chocolate is an upgrade from the Swiss Miss as well.
So if you want to look at this before I even put that in, you could see the froth that's there. And it's like a real hot cocoa. So there's a lot of benefit. Oh, it smells good. Do you smell that? Mm-hmm. It smells good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It does. So there's a big thing here, and this is just the beginning as far as what we have. So this is...
The great part, you don't have to, with some of the Keurigs, you had to remember to throw your pot away every time.
Yeah.
Or you would run the risk of running it through twice and it would be weak and not so good. This disposes of it for you right after it's used.
I'm not gonna lie. This is probably one of the best hot cocos I've ever had, and I really encourage you guys to try it. So what is it? It is the chocolate milk.
Dove milk chocolate.
Yeah, it's really good. And so this replaces second floor, third floor by the cafe.
And Hollywood.
And Hollywood. Now Hollywood and third floor cafe, the only thing that's not working for that is the cold aspect, all the cold drinks.
Right.
Because they are sending a part, there was something that
in
wasn't
the cold.
right. So if you want to get the real experience, just until we get everything, second floor, right here, anchors away. We've got everything here.
I'm gonna go ahead and try, I haven't tried yet one of the infused waters.
So this is the cold version. So let's try it out.
So we're gonna go on to the menu again, right? Scroll till we find, oh, infused water. There's also iced tea, which Karen, who just smelled the chocolate, tried earlier. She said it's really good, and she drinks a lot of iced tea.
And again, what's really nice about this whole setup is it's going to detect what you guys are using and what is more used, so we can actually go around what our community likes. So you can see there's all different blanks here, and this is just kind of a starter type setup. I think they have over 100 different flavors.
Right.
It's really amazing. And this is the latest and greatest thing, so I'm really happy. Let's see how this looks.
We even have lemon herbal tea, which a lot of people have been asking for.
And again, on the actual, in the cafe, that area where they could get the water, is that staying the same?
The Coke machine, yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So if you really want water by the Coke machine, there is an area to get the different waters. But I think it's a no-brainer to get these infused. You get that real flavor that we didn't have before. So what is that one?
This is strawberry basil.
I can smell it from here. Wow, really, really good. And what's really good about these packets is they don't show residuals. So if you're getting something, if I'm having my hot chocolate and then she's getting her infused water, imagine if there was residual going into her water. That wouldn't taste real well, but.
Because the K-Cups use needles, right?
Yep.
This, it just forces the water in the packet and everything comes out the bottom. So this is its own funnel. Nothing is actually touching anything in here except for the water. So you're not gonna get that flavor bleed like you did. I noticed there were several times I would get a regular cup of coffee.
Yeah.
And it would taste like hazelnut because the person before it had hazelnut coffee.
And this has that froth in those type of drinks. So again, thank you, Twyla. And we're doing this little demonstration. Just have a little patience with us because we're still adapting and we're getting the different flavors. And you know, like on the third floor and in Hollywood, the cold is not working yet, but it will be soon. Second floor is where everything is working. And we're gonna get more flavors based upon what everybody likes. So,
and if you on the third floor, you don't have to worry that you're gonna mess it up because there aren't even these icons don't appear.
okay, so it's dummy proof.
So they programmed it to make sure it wasn't on there so that you can't.
That's great. Well, nice upgrade, guys. And you know, we'd be interested in hearing what you think.
Mm-hmm.
So, cheers to our first new beverage
Yeah.
drink here on the second floor. See you guys later.